it is Creative Academy. Here in this video I am going to show you how to write statements in very easiest way for words problems. Actually, the students of grade 4 or 3 faces problems while writing statements. Okay, they write statements by just following the language of the sum. Okay, so I will give you how to start by just watching the unit of the sum. That means if there are 2 or 3 numbers in the sum, just you watch the unit of that numbers. Okay, and by following these methods, what I am going to say here, you can easily write the statement of words problems. Suppose if there is given that 235 kilograms, if there is this type of the data in the words problem, then how will you start? If it is given that 235 liter, okay, or it is given that 235 bags, maybe when I will state the sums words problem, then you will see data like this. So if you get this type of data or numbers in which there is a kilogram, you start writing like this: quantity of such, right? If there is a liter, you start like this: volume of this whatever in the words problem. And if there is a countable things like 235 bags, then you will start write that numbers of dash 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 dash. Why I have shown this one, just you to make feel free while writing the statement for words problem. Okay, just watch the examples what I am explaining here. Okay. This is the first sum. I am reading this: 16,380 kilograms of wheat was distributed equally among the families of a village. If each family got 35 kilograms of wheat, how many families were there in the village? Right? So I will start first of all by watching the numbers here, numbers and its unit. Okay, and read the language. Okay, that means that kg of wheat was distributed equally among the family. So what I suggest you do that if there is a kilogram, you start quantity of wheat. It is given dash of wheat. I written in place of this numbers quantity of wheat distributed among the family. Okay, wheat distributed among the family equal to 16 family, that means families here. 16,380 kilograms. So this is the first statement. Okay, this is the first statement. How I started: quantity of wheat distributed among the families. You also can write of the village here, okay, to make it more meaningful, right? So also you can write this statement in another way, that total quantity of wheat. You can also write to make it more meaningful, total quantity of wheat, right? Okay, so you can write also like this to make it more meaningful, right? So the second part is that if each family got 35 kilogram of wheat, right? So I will write for this. Here is again kilograms. I will again use quantity. Okay. Right. So quantity of wheat got by each family, because it is written here that 35, if each family got 35 kg of wheat. So what I have written here, quantity of wheat got by each family, right? So what I have to find out, how many families were there. So how many families, I have to find out how many families. So families is countable, right? The answer will be number of family. So I will write here numbers of family. Final statement, numbers of families, to make it right, in the village. To make it more meaningful, you write in the village. Okay, equal to. Okay, you will write the answer here. What you have to do is, if this is the total quantity of the distributed among the all families, then if each family get 35 kg, so you have to find out the number of the families. So what will you do, you will divide here. Okay, to find the number of families, just do the division below the sum here, right? 16,380 divided by 35. Okay, 35, you will get 468. I am not doing the division here, so you write answer here 468. Number of the family will be 468. You need to write here numbers again, or you can write here only families. Okay, but numbers of family are already given here. You write here families. Okay, family, this family, right? So these are the first example in this video. Now I will give second example, okay, which will have or which will use numbers, right? So watch.